About 0.1 million tons of municipal solid waste is generated in India every single day. That is approximately 36.5 million tons annually. Enough to submerge a country like India in about 100 years. The question then arises on the whereabouts of this abundant trash and the ebbing concern towards it.
To find an answer to which, DPS Raipur sent 4 of its students in an attempt to create inquisitive learners who care for this world from a global perspective and who are eager to postulate means to overcome this menace.
We sent our representatives to talk to some people from diverse backgrounds and professions and make them answer the same questionnaire. As we expected, their answers varied just as much as their professions.
On an average, what is the amount of waste produced in your industry on a daily basis?
It's around 200 kgs a day.
I think on a daily basis 2 bins.
हो जाता होगा 4-5 समथिंग 4-5
Buckets, kilo.
हो जाते हैं.
Okay. On an average, what is the estimated amount of waste produced in a school per day?
It's around 40 to 50 bins a day.
Thank you very much for asking this question. I believe around a vegetable peel and all around 250 grams every day.
So, what is the amply produced trash in it?
Basically, amply produced trash is totally a recyclable item. We treat it, it's an acidic waste that's being treated by alkaline material. We neutralize it and use it for landfilling.
Amply produced trash means vegetable peels, fruits, then the covers of things like chips and biscuits.
उस कचरे में सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ क्या चीज़ का रहता है?
पर्टिकुलर ऑफिस की बात करेंगे तो हमारे पास सिर्फ पेपर का ही कचरा होता है.
How do you dispose of this waste?
We just separate them at home. We have to store it at home. And then a special company comes every 2 weeks or every week, depends on what kind it is. And it is been taken away by this company.
In fact, we have a compost pit wherein we keep, put these papers and all.
Thrown in the dustbin and my staff disposes it at the end of the day.
So, do you know where all of this finally ultimately goes? तो आपको पता है ultimately ये जो सारे आपके बाल एंड ऑल है कहाँ जाता है ultimately?
Not exactly.
इसका तो पता नहीं मेरे को.
A broken cell phone to you, what would you do with it?
I'll just send it to this Samsung service center. They have a unit there which takes these cell phones and all and they recycle it.
We have special containers for these things like old TVs, mobiles, all that. And we bring it to a special container and they get out all their important materials, the little ones, and then it's, some of them are fixed.
अगर आपको एक पुराना ख़राब फ़ोन दूँ तो आप उसका क्या करेंगे?
फोन
जो कभी ठीक ही नहीं हो सकता है.
देखिए अगर एकदम खराब है तो उसे डस्टबिन में डाल देंगे.
क्या करेंगे? रखे रहेंगे अपने पास.
Earth has had many saviors before, but it is time we realize that nothing and no one can save Mother Nature like her own children. That is you and me. It is amazing to know, while we sit here watching the video, some students out there are acting as a beacon of hope, cleaning the societies for us. We hope their truthfulness and sincerity of purpose eventually bear fruit and spell triumph of a better world with no waste.